It's time for another Potluck Sunday.
And who says you can't bring a salad to a potluck?
Not me, especially if it's this good.
Oh man, that's so right. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My salad-eating Loon.
Sometimes.
What?
Sometimes.
You're right though, when it's this delicious, oh my gosh, let me dig in.
Yeah,
so
let's do it.
Start with the chicken.
Yeah, so I've got a bag of chicken right here. This is 2 chicken breasts. They are skinless and they're boneless, and we have them in our little freezer bag. That's where we're gonna put all the marinade in.
He's cut them into bite-sized pieces.
So the first thing we have is some fresh ginger. This is a tablespoon. Smells so good.
Our favorite ingredients to cook
Yes,
with.
that's what gives it the old Asian flair. And now we have a teaspoon of orange juice. I was gonna say OJ, but I meant orange. All right, and a teaspoon of
That's soy sauce.
soy sauce. Yes.
So we've got some savory going on, but let's change it up a little bit.
Let's throw in some honey. This is a 1/4 cup. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that is so good.
I think I'm gonna, this is so delicious.
You're gonna love this?
This
Okay.
is so good. All right, hold on.
Okay.
All right, now a teaspoon of pepper.
Freshly ground black
now
pepper.
We're gonna add some heat.
Just a little bit.
This is some sriracha. This is gonna be about a teaspoon.
So this is to whatever you're liking.
There we go.
love this is that juxtaposition of sweet and spicy.
Yeah.
So if you like it extra spicy, which we kind of do,
do.
go a little extra. If you don't like it as spicy, go do that much.
And then we have some sesame oil, which is another Asian flavor. And that's about a teaspoon of that as well.
A teaspoon, and you know, that is such a great flavor. Excuse me.
All right, and now I'm just gonna close this up and get it all, oops, let me
Let
get
that
the
air out of there. Let the air out.
Let me get the air out, and then I'm gonna massage it all and put it in the fridge.
So you're using a freezer baggie like this. It's so easy, and you can squeeze it anywhere you got an open space in your fridge.
It's so good.
If you don't want to do that, you can do it in a bowl, whatever makes it easy for you.
Right.
Okay, so that only needs to marinate. It doesn't need to go for a long time. Let it go for about 10 minutes, or no, sorry, let's let it go for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna cook it up. Okay,
Got it.
While he's massaging that bag of meat, I'm going to make our incredible dressing. This is a peanut-based Asian dressing that I just think is absolutely delicious.
So good.
We use it a lot. I may borrow your spoon
Oh,
here.
sure, go ahead.
Got a little honey on it, but that's okay.
That's
honey.
all right.
Okay, so in here I've got a 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Excuse me. And I love doing this in a jar because it's so easy to emulsify and bring it all together. So that was 3 cloves of garlic that I minced.
I can smell that garlic.
Oh, it's so good. This is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're doing that sweet and salty. Now we've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I love it.
This salad is so much fun, and it really, I don't think it's real. I don't think it comes from the Asian community. I think it's the American version.
Let me tell you what I just added there was that was like another 5 tablespoons of just good old olive oil. You're 100% right. I guarantee you, if you went over to Beijing, you wouldn't walk in and say, "I'll take one of those Chinese chicken salads." They'd say, "You're going to leave." No, this is one of those American phenomenons, but it does have some distinct Asian flavors.
It's delicious.
It's really good. It's one of those. I'm jiggling all over the place.
I'm glad you're jiggling and not me.
I know. It's one of those entree salads that's so wonderful. And what's so great about it, the reason it's perfect for Potluck Sunday is because you can, I'm just making sure I get this all stirred.
So good. This dressing is, I could put this dressing on anything.
I know. What I was saying is because you can make all of these different components separately, and then when you bring it to the potluck, you bring it all together. And I'm telling you, people are going to flip.
Just a quick dump, and then serve.
Now we're going to wait till that has marinated for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to cook it up. Okay, now moving right along.
Yes.
Okay, so now we've got a skillet here. I've got this over some nice cranking hot heat. I'm going to add a little olive oil. We're going to basically kind of simulate stir frying this. Okay?
And I'm going to drain the chicken.
Drain it, baby.
That stays still. There we go.
There you go. Fantastic. Okay. And you want it, that's perfectly fine if some of the liquid stays behind. You kind of want that. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to transfer this in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's almost like a stir fry.
That's what.
Oh, wait. I guess it is.
What I just said. Okay. So now.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay.
I was too busy draining.
I know. You were very busy. Okay, so now we're going to let this cook until it just gets nice and browned. And what's going to happen is that honey and which I'm going to add a little more of the honey in just a little bit. It kind of acts as like it gets it kind of crispy and kind of coated and delicious.
It's amazing.
And I'm just going to hit this with a little more salt. You don't need to add a lot of salt because we already had the soy sauce in there, but we drained most of that away. So anyway, we're going to continue cooking this until it's fully cooked through, and then we're going to add a little more sriracha and a little more honey, and it's going to be primo. Isn't this just beautiful?
I love that. I love how it gets a little charred.
It does. It gets that sugar from the honey, and it starts to caramelize. So about 15 minutes, or I don't know, 10 minutes into this, I added a little more honey, and I added just a little more sriracha, because like I said, we like a little spice. If you don't like the spice, leave the sriracha out. Okay, this is done.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna peel some
mandarin oranges.
I was gonna call them something else.
Yeah.
They're called little. I want to say
Some people call it clementine.
Yeah, or little Debbie's or something like that.
I don't remember people calling
All
them
right.
little
Anyways,
Debbie's.
I'm gonna peel these.
So these are really good. They're great. They're extra sweet, and they're just, again, that sweet against the savory. It's the perfect addition. We're going to let this cool for just a moment. The Loon's going to figure out what he's peeling over here, and then we're going to bring it all together. Okay, now you've been wondering, when are we going to see the salad? Now
Where's the green stuff?
Where's the salad stuff? Now we're talking salad, folks. This is amazing. So we're going with some cabbage. This is Napa cabbage. First of all, you need to find a big old bowl.
Big bowl.
Because this salad, it feeds comfortably. I'm probably not going to use all of this just because my bowl may not be big enough. But this comfortably feeds. These are entree salads, so 4 people. But it's so great as, you know, to bring to a like a
big
buffet,
family gathering,
a family gathering, to like a baby shower, a potluck dinner.
Yes.
Okay, so that was Napa cabbage that I have chopped. I love using Napa cabbage because it's just a little softer to the palate than, say, green cabbage, but you could use green cabbage as well. This, I'm sorry, I got this mixed up. I got it mixed up. This, what I put in there first was iceberg lettuce that I chopped. That's very soft to the touch. This was nice green leafy Napa. This is my shredded carrots. This is just 2 large carrots. The way I shredded it, I got out my trusty food processor with a shredder attachment and just shredded them. You could also use
so easy.
So easy. You could use the side of a box grater. You could. I think you can buy them from the store like this. Then I've got a half a cup of scallions that I've chopped.
Love it.
That we just added so much flavor to, and then we've got some red cabbage. Usually this is going to be about a cup and a half.
The colors of this salad are great.
Insane. Now, ladies and
Wait,
gentlemen.
what about the chicken?
Oh yeah, well, okay, we'll do that too. Sometimes I wait and do the chicken all on top. Sometimes what I'm going to do is I'm going to do about half in the salad when I mix it, and then save some for the topping. Doesn't this look great? I'm telling you.
This salad dressing, though, is the best.
It really is the bomb. So
I could just get a spoon and eat it right
I know,
now.
and you have often. So, okay, so now I'm going to begin the fun task of mixing this all together.
Yay, and then over here, we've got these fun little accoutrements that you put on top of the salad.
Yes.
We've got some fried wonton strips here. We got some fried wonton, or not fried wontons, some wonton wrappers, and cut them into 3 pieces. Threw them into some oil that was heated up to 350 degrees, let them get nice and brown, and then let them drain on a paper towel and hit them with a little salt. That's that.
That's all there is to it, folks.
But hey, it's homemade.
It is. And obviously, if you don't want to do that, they sell those kind of things at the
like
store.
Like a salad topping
A salad topping, you know, it's great. But it's kind of fun to make them on your own.
They are.
And then we've also
and then we have some almonds that we're going to throw on top. Some shaved almonds here, and then obviously these are also called little chucks, not little Debbie's.
Chucks?
Little chuck.
Chuck.
I swear I heard that before. And these are mandarins. These are not clementine.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now this is actually, you talk so much that this is now ready to go. So anyway, I'm going to continue stirring this up.
We got to throw the rest of that
We got to
chicken.
throw the rest of it in.
Okay.
Oh, I am telling you,
Yay!
this is one of the
You
most
got it, okay.
beautiful salads I know.
That is a heavy bowl.
Well, I grabbed the largest bowl I had, close to me.
That looks so good.
It's so beautiful, and it's just.
I love this big old platter that you throw that on.
I know, and it's so festive, and people can serve themselves. It's just wonderful.
Yay!
Oh, that is so great. Okay, so now,
give me that big old thing.
Thank you. So now, like I said, we're going to top it with these other beautiful toppings. So let's go ahead and sprinkle this this extra chicken around top. All of this you can do just before serving. Mix it with that great dressing before serving.
Gorgeous.
Now let's do some of these. What's the great thing with this is the textures that you've got in here. So these almonds give a little crunch. That Napa and the red cabbage give a little crunch. And then you've got these mandarin oranges. And I'm telling you, it's that combination of flavor of the sweet and juicy.
Yes.
And then
wait, the crunchy.
I know this is one of my favorite things. I just love these.
I love them too.
These are so much fun.
Save a couple for me though.
Okay, I will.
All right,
How beautiful and festive is that?
In there like that, and just oh, there we go.
All right,
Perfect.
That is gorgeous, you guys.
Yay! All right, come on over and bring me some.
I'm gonna bring you some.
Oh, that looks so good.
I'm gonna try and not make a mess.
That's
here.
okay. There we go.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it looks wonderful.
Put some more of that on
Hold
there.
on, let's. I'm using my fingers.
It's okay.
Look at that.
That is amazing. I am
I want to
really.
eat that. You know what? Can you leave that for me?
I know. I'm telling you.
Oh wow! Look at that, you guys. Look at. Oh, hold on. Let me move that big old
Honkin' wonton.
fried wonton. Yay! Look at all that deliciousness. All right.
Hold on. I've got to go with you. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
I got to get some chicken. I got to get some of the mandarin in
the
there.
mandarin, the wonton.
My little chuck. Look at. Okay, here goes. Perfect bite.
I mean, I love eating this as an entree. I keep saying it.
That is amazing. I could eat that. Yeah, just that. Nothing else.
I know.
And it's 1,000% Loon approved.
And I'm starving, and we're gonna eat this.
Yes.
We're gonna eat this whole thing. You guys make the salad, bring it to Potluck, and be a star.